Hello, Teague Middle School. We're going to go ahead and go over our final warm-up for the week. So over here we have 0.456 times zero point 0.8. So when we're doing decimals, one technique I like to use is we like to remove the decimals and go ahead and bring it back once we're done. So we are going to, let's rewrite this first. So we have a decimal right here. We're going to go 1, 2, and 3. We're going to bring it 3 spots to the right, and that's going to be 3D. So 3D means decimal, and we're going to move this one spot to the right. That's going to be 1D. So altogether we have 4 decimal spots that we need to remove, or we need to move it back once we're done solving it. So we can rewrite this as 456 times 8. So 6 times 8 is 48. 5 times 8 is 40, plus 4 makes 44. We'll put that 4 right there, and then 8 times 4, that's 32. So we want to add that 4 to that, and that gets us 36. So we still have our decimal place that's all the way in the end. We're going to have to move that 4 times to the left now. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So our answer is 3,648. There we go. Just keep that decimal right there. So whatever we take back, we got to give at the end. So we're going to take away that decimal in the beginning. We're going to bring it back in the end. So we're going to go ahead and do the same thing with the next one. But it's not going to be as much. So we're going to 1, 2. That's 2D. And then 1 out. That's 1D. There we go. So we can rewrite this as 245 times 12. And let's remind that there is that right there. So 5 times 2 gives us 10. 4 times 2 gives us 8 plus 1, that's 9. And then 2 times 2 gives us 4. So let's redo the next one. 5 times 1 is 5. 4 times 1 is 4. And 2 times 1 is 2. So we're just going to go ahead and add that all up. Start with the right side. 0 plus 0 is 0. 9 plus 5 is 14. Go add that 1 right there. 4 plus 4 gives us 8 plus 1. That makes 9. And then there's the 2 by itself. So there's 2 right there. So as you can see, 14. Boom. Don't get this part confused. It's right there. And then we have our 3 decimals at the end. So we're going to go 1, 2, and 3. So our answer, once we're done, should be 2.94. You don't really have to worry about the 0 as much when you're writing the final answer, as long as you get like the first 2.